Data is beautiful, but to unlock its full potential, it needs structure. Wouldn't it be great if you could take your data, use it to generate your own reports on the fly, and have those reports show up in Cloud Fleet Manager? We certainly think so, and that's why we're providing you with the tools to do just that. The result is our new Microsoft Power BI integration that allows you to customize your own specialized reports and dashboard tiles. To work with our Power BI tools, simply connect Microsoft Power BI to the Cloud Fleet Manager database. You now have access to all the building blocks needed to create a new report template. Once you're done, you can upload your newly created template into your workspace, and it will automatically show up in the Power BI module within Cloud Fleet Manager. It's one of the app tiles in your portal. From here, you can assign your new template to an existing Cloud Fleet Manager app and define where your report should appear. That's it! Your newly created report is now seamlessly integrated into Cloud Fleet Manager and can also be accessed by all your colleagues. Try it now and start building your own reports today.